What course should I take, either admin job role or development job role? Which one is the best option to me? And which is the better career growth, and which one gets high package? So these kind of doubts rising from many candidates. So that I'm going to clear all your doubts in this session. So I'm going to make differentiate between administrative job roles and development job role. After watching this video, you can take decisions whether you should start development job role or administration job role. Okay, first let us talk about administration job role. So suppose if you want to take administrative job role, then what type of mindset or skills you should have? The first one is you should have organization skills. Here organization skills means such as you have to manage tasks, different tasks or multitask, and you have to schedule the task, you have to manage resources. Okay, so if you have multitask talented, then this job is fit for you guys. And second one is, even though if you are not developing software applications, but you must have problem solving skills as well. Sometimes in your job you face challenges, therefore you require some problem solving skills. And third one is you should have good communication skills as well, because you have to talk with your stakeholders in your internal teams or external teams as well, and you have to discuss with the different departments as a admin role. So therefore effective communication skills also required, guys. Okay. Fourth one is you must have passion to do this kind of administration job roles. Okay, so if you are not into, so if you don't have passion to do admin job roles, then you may not continue your job for a long time. Okay, so therefore you must have interest or passion to do this kind of admin job roles. Now let's talk about development job roles. For development job roles, each and everyone know you must have strong technical skills, because you have to develop the applications, software applications, or we have to develop the projects. So therefore you must have strong technical and problem solving skills as well. Without strong technical skills, you may not survive in software industry as a developer. And second one is communication skills also mandatory, guys, because you have to understand the requirement while a client or your team member discussing about or explaining about the requirements. Okay, so therefore communication is also very important as a software developer. Next one is you should have innovation and keep learning skills as well, because you are developing the application from scratch. So you should have creativity and innovation skills as well, because you are developing the application from scratch, and you have to fulfill the client requirement by your creativity, and you have to complete your task with your creativity only. Next skills are for software developer, there is a flexible work is there, because in these days many software developers are getting opportunity to do a remote work. So you have some work-life balance as well if you do developer jobs. In the case of admin job roles, few admin job roles are you may not complete your work, or you may not complete the job work from home. Okay, you must have presence in the organization only. So therefore some flexible or work-life balance are little bit difficult compared to developer for admin job role. Now let's talk about career growth wise and salary wise. So compared to admin job roles, developer job roles have some better career growth and high package as well. There is no limit, guys, in the software industry. You can transition from admin job role to development job role after having some experience or professional experience. No one can stop you guys to switch from admin job role to development job role by updating your skill set. If anyone has struggling to learn programming language, and if you are average in solving the problems, then you can start your career as an admin job role, and you can get some experience, and parallelly you can learn the latest technologies, and then you can switch to development job role. Yes, there are opportunities are there, and companies are offering or welcoming any candidate who have passion and interest to do some software development jobs. You can happily switch from admin job role to development job role. Okay, so that's all guys for this session. I hope you understand which course you should learn and which one you should start. So my final conclusion words are, it's completely based on your interest and passion and your job satisfaction. So you have to consider all these things, and then you can start your career, either admin job role or development job role. So if you are not happy with your job role, then you can switch from one technology to another technology guys. Okay, so if you love this content, then don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share to your friends as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.